started. Step 1, you're going to bend your knees and rotate your hips, step to the side a few times. Now, put that foot on its toe on the floor and twist your heel side to side and move your hips following that heel. Do the same thing on the other side. This is a rotation move as you step to the side and then swivel from side to side. Nice job. Now you're going to put your hands rested on the elbow and make an air circle as you go to the side and spread your arms and follow your hips from side to side. Same thing on the other side. Make air circles, resting the elbow on the other hand and swivel with your hands helping you move side to side. Step 2, you're going to do a dip step. Slightly jump with your back foot going on the floor, forward foot slightly coming up. You're going to clap, push your hands up in the air, then clap. Second step, clap, push your hands forward. Good job. Now let's do the next step, which is a square step. You're going to spread your hands as you come forward and then put your hands on your waist as you go back. One more time. Up, up, back, back. Easy. Now you're going to do the same step. Your elbows are going to do a grind move in the center. You're going to push the air down with your elbows as you go up and back. Let's do the dip step again. This time you're going to place one hand on the ear. The opposite hand goes straight out with palms facing the air and bend as you travel with the dip step. Now, if you have problems in jumping with the dip step, you can simply walk. But I want you to move your shoulders as you walk. Now let's do this together. We're going to start with the first dip step. Palms in the air, up, and now palms forward, pushing it out forward. And now square step with hands spreading out. And now square step with elbow grind. Now dip travel step. One more time and you're all set.